Welcome back. Today, we're talking about a topic close to every practical rider's heart: longevity, value, and legendary durability. We're counting down the 10 best old ATVs you can buy cheap but keep forever. These are the models that built the reputation of their brands, machines known for simple, overbuilt engineering that laughs in the face of time. If you're looking for an affordable, trustworthy workhorse or trail companion, this list is your treasure map. Let's start with a name that is synonymous with indestructibility: the Suzuki King Quad 300 and 400. While we see the 500 here, its smaller siblings are the true budget legends. The 300 and 400cc models, especially from the late 90s and early 2000s, are mechanical tanks. They use a simple air-cooled engine, a manual clutch in many models, and a straightforward carburetor. There's very little to go wrong. Parts are plentiful and cheap. You can often find these in running condition for a shockingly low price, and with basic maintenance, they will outlast us all. They are the perfect first ATV, farm helper, or beater trail bike. Pure, unbreakable simplicity. Stepping up, the Suzuki King Quad 500 continues this legacy, but adds more capability. The 500cc engine is still remarkably simple and durable, often fuel-injected in later models for better reliability. The shaft drive system is legendary for being maintenance-free. You're looking at an ATV that can handle serious work and play for decades. On the used market, early 2000s King Quad 500s offer phenomenal value. They don't have the flashy specs of new models, but for a cheap buy once, cry once machine, it's almost impossible to beat. It's the definition of a forever quad. Now to the gold standard of reliability: Honda. The Honda 4Trax Foreman 400/450 series, particularly the ES electric shift models from the early 2000s, is bulletproof. Honda's build quality is second to none. The Foreman is a work quad through and through. Its solid rear axle is virtually indestructible, and the engine is understressed and built to run forever. These quads are often found well used but far from worn out. They command a slight premium over other brands, but for good reason. Even a 15 or 20-year-old Foreman in decent shape is a safer bet than a questionable newer model from a less reliable brand. It's an investment in peace of mind. And then there's the king, the Honda 4Trax Foreman Rubicon. The Rubicon, especially the early automatic transmission (FTR) models, took the Foreman's durability and added more features and comfort. Its automatic transmission with electronic shift is famously smooth and reliable. It's a more premium, all-around machine that is aged beautifully. Finding a clean, early Rubicon for a fraction of its original price is one of the best deals in the used ATV world. You get Honda's legendary durability wrapped in a more versatile, comfortable package. It's a forever ATV that doesn't feel like a compromise. Don't overlook the Kawasaki Brute Force 450 4x4. While Kawasaki is known for its high-performance models, the Brute Force 450 was a solid, no-frills utility machine. It's often overshadowed by its 750cc big brother, which means you can find the 450 for a song. It's a carbureted, simple machine with a good reputation for toughness. For someone looking for a cheap, capable 4x4 that can handle mud, trails, and chores without any complex electronics, the Brute Force 450 is a hidden gem. It's the unpretentious workhorse that gets forgotten but just keeps on running. The Arctic Cat Altera 450 from the late 2000s to early 2010s represents fantastic value. Arctic Cat built these with proven, reliable components, often using Suzuki-derived engines in some models. They offer great comfort with long travel suspension and a plush seat at a price point that undercut the Big Four. On the used market, you get a lot of ATV for your money. They are comfortable for long rides, capable on trails, and simple enough to work on. For a cheap, modern-feeling quad that you can depend on, the used Altera 450 is a seriously smart buy. Similarly, the Polaris Sportsman 450 HO, particularly from the generation before the current one, is a bargain hunter's dream. Polaris sold these by the truckload, so parts and knowledge are everywhere.
While Polaris of that era had some well-documented issues with certain components, the 450HO engine itself is known to be quite reliable if maintained. The key is finding one that hasn't been abused. A cared-for older Sportsman 450 offers the fantastic Polaris ride quality, great ergonomics, and capable 4x4 system for pennies. It's a gateway into the Sportsman experience without the premium price tag. Now for a different kind of forever machine, the Can-Am Renegade 850. This might seem like an odd choice for a cheap list, but hear me out. The first-generation Renegade 850s from around 2014 to 2017 are now hitting the market at very attractive prices. While they are performance machines, they are also overbuilt. The Rotax 850 engine is a masterpiece of reliability and power. For an experienced rider who wants a thrilling, high-performance forever ATV on a budget, a used Renegade 850 is a steal. You're getting near top-tier performance and that legendary Can-Am character for the price of a new budget 450. Just be sure to get one with a good service history. Returning to incredible value, the CF Moto 600 from just a few years ago is a modern bargain. CF Moto's rapid model updates mean that a 2020 or 2021 model can be found for a surprisingly low price. What you get is a near-new ATV with modern fuel injection, great suspension, comfortable seating, and a smooth engine. Their reliability in recent years has been very good, and they come with features found on more expensive quads. For someone who wants a modern, comfortable, and capable machine without the depreciation hit, a lightly used C4 600 is arguably the smartest financial decision in off-roading right now. Finally, we have the Yamaha Kodiak 700. Earlier generation Kodiak 700s with the Ultramatic transmission are just starting to become real used market bargains. This is the ultimate buy it, service it, ride it for the next 20 years machine. Yamaha's engineering focus on smoothness and durability means these quads wear incredibly well. The engine and transmission are famously robust. You might pay a bit more upfront for a used Kodiak compared to others on this list, but its total cost of ownership over 15 years will be lower than almost anything else. It's a forever ATV that feels refined and capable every time you ride it. So, what's the secret to finding and keeping these forever machines? First, prioritize simplicity. Carburetors, solid axles, and manual features mean less to fail. Second, research the known issues. Every model has a weakness, a certain year's wiring harness, a clutch design, etc. Know what you're looking at. Third, condition is everything. A clean, well-maintained older ATV is a far better buy than a neglected, newer one. Look for service records, check for rust, and listen for odd noises. These ATVs represent the pinnacle of practical ownership. They've already taken their biggest depreciation hit. Their quirks and fixes are well documented online. They connect us to an era of mechanical honesty. Owning one isn't just about transportation, it's about stewardship of a tool that was built to last. In the end, the best old ATV you can buy cheap isn't about the brand with the most horsepower. It's about the machine with the strongest heart, the simplest design, and a proven history of refusing to quit. It's the Suzuki that won't die, the Honda that works every single time, the Polaris that offers comfort for cheap, and the performance bargains like the Can-Am and Yamaha. These are the machines you buy with confidence, knowing they're not just a purchase, but a long-term companion for countless adventures ahead. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide to forever ATVs helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe for more. Share your own bulletproof used ATV finds in the comments below. Until next time, happy hunting and ride safe.